Stan Gibilisco here, proprietor and operator of amateur radio station W1GV. Whiskey 1, good vibrations. I made a video a little while ago about ham radio on Jupiter. Well, there's another gas giant planet a little farther out along, known as Saturn, which you will see in the thumbnail photograph for this video. And that particular planet has a system of rings comprising a whole bunch of rocks, millions upon millions of orbiting little moons, varying in size, but they seem to offer a unique opportunity for ringbounce communication. If one is in orbit around Saturn, one ham radio station on a spaceship in orbit around Saturn somewhere, and another ham radio station on board another satellite in orbit around Saturn somewhere. 2 Saturn space stations. It's not out of the realm of possibility, pretty far-fetched, but they could always communicate by means of ring bounce, provided that some point on the rings was on a line of sight with both of the satellites, and that would almost always be the case, particularly if the satellites were in polar orbit. I guess satellites, I should use space stations or spaceships, but it seems I'm just in a mood to have weird ideas. And I wonder if radio hams will ever do such a thing. If we'll ever have 2 space stations in orbit around Saturn, a ham radio operator or station on each one, and communications maintained between them by means of ring bounce. It's a weird day in the black holes of South Dakota, or Dakota Territory, United States of Anomalies. Summer doesn't begin here officially until Memorial Day, and it is snowing right now, and we could get several inches of snow over the next 3 days. Gotta love them holes. Gotta love them rings. Title for a novel, maybe? Rings and Holes. The rings and holes of W1GV. Saying 73 and so long, which, in my native fist, on whatever frequency, on whatever planet you may be, shall always translate to da-da-da-da-da-da.